come under some pressure. You're going to hear all kinds of propaganda. You're going to hear all kinds of lies and deception. There will be tactics used to try and buy you out. There will be tactics used to try and frighten you away. And I only have to say one thing to you tonight, comrades. We are Blood and Fire Comrades, and we're marching on to progress. And we will stand firm. We will not be bought because we are not for sale.